Okay, good morning, students. This is Thursday, April 16th, and you know every Thursday we have a review. Today's review is just another 10 questions, so each one you miss is going to count off 10 points. Now, if you're not using Google Forms, you're not making 100. I have fixed this up to where you guys are almost guaranteed to make 100 before you send it to me, okay? We need to start doing that. I'm giving out 50s and 60s and 70s, and there's no reason for me to give out those grades if you follow these instructions. Go to classwork. Today we're going to be doing review number 15. So I'm going to open review 15. Now those of you folks that are using a phone or an iPad, you already have that little icon that you can click on and start using your pencil to annotate over this document right now. If you're sitting at a laptop or a desktop computer, you may not have that option. So you can open it with Cami. I have had some students tell me they're having a hard time getting into Cami. So here's another option for you, okay? You need to go to these 9 dots. It says Google Apps. Click on it and scroll down until you see DocHub. Here's the logo for DocHub. Now, if you don't see that DocHub logo in your menu, then go all the way down to where it says More and click on More. This is a free download. It doesn't cost anything. So click on DocHub and you're probably going to have to download it before you can use it. Same thing with Cami. You're probably going to have to download it before you can use it. So after you have it downloaded, then you can go back in, go to these 3 dots right over here in the corner, and tell it to open in a new window. When you open it in a new window, there's a little box right here in the center that says Open With. Now you have your choice. You can either work it in Cami or you can do the DocHub. Just to show you what DocHub's going to look like. This is what it looks like in DocHub. You can click on the pencil and you can go ahead and start annotating. I do want to see where your problems are worked out. Make sure to line up your decimals. Whenever you finish, circle your answer. Now, when you finish all 10 of these problems, and this one might be tricky, we have some fractions we're going to have to add together. We might have to do some converting. I see this answer is in feet, but these answers are in inches. I hope you remember all the definitions to these. If not, they should be in your composition book. Make sure to use your composition book if you need to. After you have answered all 10, open up a new tab. And I know some of you folks aren't doing this because I don't see any reason why I'm giving out 60s and 70s if you're doing this. Get back into the classroom. Go back to that same classwork tab and click on Review 15 Answer Sheet in Google Forms. And then whatever you chose for number 1, if you chose A, enter A. Number 2, if you chose F, enter F. And so on. When you get down to the very bottom, click Submit. I'm going to go ahead and do this right quick. I'm just going to take a lot of guesses here. I'm just going to say everything is the first answer. And then click Submit. Once you see this, then you want to view your accuracy. Now it already tells me number 1 is incorrect. And I've given you a hint back down here to find the perimeter, add all the sides. Remember to line up your decimals before you attempt to add. Letter A is not the correct solution. If it is correct, then it's going to tell you it's correct. If it's wrong, it's going to give you a hint about what you should be doing. if you're using these Google Forms the correct way, you guys should be making 100 on every single assignment. Because once you know what the wrong answer is, you can go back and you can fix the answer. Erase the wrong answer, circle the right answer, get back into the answer sheet, put in your next answer, and let's see if you're correct. Okay? Now, I'm more familiar with Cami than I am with DocHub, so I'm going to go ahead and get out of that, and I'm going to open it back with Cami. To me, it's easier to turn it in with Cami than it is with DocHub. If you're having a hard time figuring out how to turn it in, then you just might need to open up a new tab and say how to turn in DocHub in Google Classroom. You might have to research it. There's videos you can watch and there's instructions you can do. Always make sure to save your assignment and then open up the new tab. Get back into the classroom. Use your Google form. And let's make sure that we are choosing the correct answers before you send it to me. Okay? You're guaranteed to make 100, folks. Let's take the time and let's do this right. And let's stop sending me 50s and 60s. All right, that's the only assignment I have, just 10 math questions. Have fun. If you have questions, email me or call me. My phone number is on the stream page. Bye.